Einani atu ta'uva ae e tane aitu e.
Hi guys, happy Saturday. I'm what was I gonna say? I'm back at home, so I'm back in my parents' studio, and I have assistants, but they just went to go get food. So you'll see some kids running in here at some point. But hello, I hope you're ready to work out. Let's do this. Hi, Bebe, on Rosetta's screen. Get yourself ready, get your body ready, get your energy up. Hi, other Bebe, on Rosetta's screen. Let's go ahead and just stretch really quick together. It's time. I'm sure I'm going to have some stragglers in there coming in soon. Here we go. You can hear the music?
La Usamoa, La Usamoa, Fa'amua mua le atua, o ia olo ufa'avae. Ao mai ni pua puanga, fa'amalo situ maupea, o te alofa ia te oe la Usamoa. Talofa Samoa lo uotunu upelele anga. I say yo upese pese atu mafamatala. Lo matamofi ele mafaya upuna famatala. Ua numerata sifo ioe ile Pacifica. La Usamoa, La Usamoa, fa'amua mua le atua, o ia olo ufa'avae. Ao mai ni pua puanga, fa'amalo situ maupea, o te alofa ia te oe la Usamoa. Le mawhai o nana lolo unusa ufana uai. O lau whanua lanu lau awa o te tiwai. E uina o malanga I whafo I atunu ese. E le mawhai o nana lo o e Samoa lau pele. Samoa, fa'amua mua le atua, o ia olo ufa'avae. Ao mai ni pua puanga, fa'amalo situ maupea, o te alofa ia te oe la Usamoa. La Usamoa. Samoa, fa'amua mua le atua, o ia olo ufa'avae. Ao mai ni pua puanga, fa'amalo situ maupea, o te alofa ia te oe la Usamoa. La Usamoa.
Fai pulu whaamalo
O lo tofi o le toto ma le fue
O le leo le tu malo
Whawhetai mo au la ngā lue O so u leo whatau waa E whai masui o si au a manga maso O se tau lea le au tau tua I alo la whanga
E le ilo mai e Beyonce
Le whai ngā tau le nei o langa
Leo sui le tai au puma le hamo
E asi nai me whawhanga Fo'i me whawhangu lau tamatui o le laa i le maumanga malia i le langa maawai le i malamalama.
Taunu tui uta
Sia ki mua mea ngau ia,
o koko o talo o popo o vai
o ka se le manuia.
se ima le se fululua whapapa i le fia fia mai mawai i tutau na whatau i whangu pia
E lau fio ngā
oe le whanonga mai o le aso manatu whai mai saufika.
Here we go from the top. Okay, starting off, we're going to do similar movements that we did in the last class. Some of you might have been there, some of you were not. What is that second song? Let me just do this. Kind of went viral on TikTok for a second. Giving you the song name. All right, we're going to do our calf raises, our balance exercises, and then into other exercises, and then into hips after, okay? Is there anybody in this live class who is super new to dancing? Hi, Milda, good to see you. Anyone new? No one's new. Okay, here we go.
Hello.
Awesome, I'm seeing some faces I haven't seen in a while. I love it. All right, here we go. So we're gonna hit our calf raises first. It's gonna go like this. I'm gonna show you this way, and then I'm gonna go in the mirror. So we're gonna sit here, and you're gonna sit up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 times. 8 times, okay? And then you're gonna give me 8 squats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, let's do 4 and 4. 4 and 4. 4 and 4. It's gonna be a little bit easier on our legs to start off. So here we go. Find your spot. Let me switch over to the mirror for the same direction.
Erat manuia Ta'aru oe iau Inu bau Inapo Oto E mapatu Aure pa'aho E aho O e hapaina Piti hapaina Tuta pere Paparikete O e hapaina Piti hapaina Erat manuia Tuta pere Tuta pere Tuta pere Tuta pere Ta'aru oe iau Inu bau Inapo Oto E mapatu Aure pa'aho E aho O e hapaina Piti hapaina Tuta pere Paparikete O e hapaina Piti hapaina Erat manuia
Awesome. We're gonna do it again, or a different variation of it. So we're gonna sit here. We're gonna go regular, straight leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times, and then you're gonna give me. My kids are back. 4. It's gonna go 4 straight knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're gonna be 4 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 straight. 2 right there. Okay. Here we go.
Terat manuia Paaru oe iau Inu inu bau Inapo Oto oto E mapatu Aure paaho E aho o O e hapaina Piti hapaina Tuta pere pere Hapere kete O e hapaina Piti hapaina Terat manuia Terat manuia Tuta pere pere Tuta pere pere Tuta pere pere Tuta pere pere Paaru oe iau Inu inu bau
Hopefully those calves are feeling it. Stretch it out, stretch it out. We're gonna sit into your next Tahitian dance squat. You're gonna sit here. Right leg flat. This is a mirror for the same direction. Up, sit, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Switch, no level change. Switch. And then close that knee. Push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here, and then you're gonna go dip down. Watch. Down, 2, 3. And then again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Booty 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reset. Right there. Hands at your chest. Keep that back foot strong.
Inapo Oto oto E mapatu Aure paaho E aho o O e hapaina Piti hapaina
Here we go.
O e hapaina Piti hapaina Tuta pere pere Hapere kete O e hapaina Piti hapaina Terat manuia Terat manuia Paaru oe iau Inu inu bau Inapo Oto oto E mapatu Aure paaho E aho o O e hapaina Piti hapaina Tuta pere pere Hapere kete O e hapaina Piti hapaina Terat manuia Terat manuia Tuta pere pere Tuta pere pere Tuta pere pere
We're gonna hit it one more time. All right, let's add some arms. Watch. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3. Stretch. Down. 1, 2, 3. Push. Bump. Okay, do those arms with me again. It's a mirror. We're the same direction. Sitting full out. 5, 6, 7. Sit. 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, and down and push. 2, 3, up. Boom. Here we go. Nice soft transitions. Move up a bit. And in. If you can. Okay, here we go. Nice and pretty. Stay strong with me, girls. These girls have been working out with me since 11.
Tuta pere pere Paaru oe iau Inu inu bau Inapo Oto oto E mapatu Aure paaho E aho o O e hape manuia.
Good job. We're gonna hit it one last time for keeps, but we're gonna put everything together. It's gonna go here. Sit. Hands here. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here we go. Nice and strong. Everybody get your back foot nice and tall.
Manuia. Manuia.
Okay, here we go. Moving on to our hips. Let's start warming up our hips. We're gonna give a nice deep, big ami. Oops. And a tuan e as well. Okay, so here we go. Oh, what do I want? Okay, here we go. So we're gonna do a tuan e nice and tall. Here. 2 feet together. Oh no, right foot forward. Right foot forward, sit. 1, 2, 3. I'll switch your weight. Front. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Switch. Left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 4, 5, 6. Open left. Bump, bump. 2, slow count. 3, 4, 8. Here we go. We try our best. Hands, tuan e. Up, down, down, down. And then hairamai on the ope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Choo! Here we go. Ready?
Connection from Tahitian.
The finger of bass.
Hopefully your body's feeling a little looser. We're gonna hit that one more time, but we're gonna do a big ami. So tuanae times 4. We're gonna change our feet for our tuanae. Here. Patia. Down, 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 2. Your feet look like this. One leg is on its ball. Switch, sit. Bum, bum, bum. Switch. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, so right side. 4. Here. Sit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Strong foot times 4, and then an 8 circle. Here we go, or 8 ami. Keep it up, keep it up. Follow my arms. Connection from Tahiti.
The finger of bass.
So today, the first workout that you had, take a breather, take a breather. The first workout that you had was really a lot of jumping, a lot of stamina, a lot of pushing. Today, I just want your legs to burn, your calves to burn, and all the right muscles building in the right places for dancing, okay? So let's move on to our arms, give our legs small kind break. And we're gonna sit with our arms, nice long tarava. Follow me, girls, with my arms, just so they see you. Arms out, 2, 3, 4, 8 count. Pushing up, 8 count. And then right arm straight forward, left out, 8 count. Back up, 1, 8 count. Back down, 2, 8 count. Finish, 5, 6, 7, 8, rest. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. I'm sorry, and then here, 4 counts. Repeat, one more time. 8, 8, right, 8, up, 8, left, up, 4, in. Repeat. When you sit here, it's a 4 count break. That's it. Here we go. We try our best. If you want to sit, you're welcome to sit. Whatever helps with your, actually, no. What am I saying? Stand up. What am I saying? Here we go. I'm going to change my music.
States.
Roi matae, o tōku i nanga ruki a koe e maine. Tō mata manea, mai te puranga e. I ata manea ki runga i a koe maine. Manako, manako, manako i a koe. Mou piri i a koe. Manako, manako, manako i a koe. Mou piri i a koe. O koe anaki e, anaki e. Mou piri i a koe. E koe anaki e, anaki e. Mou piri i a koe.
DJ States.
Nice job. Okay, let's move on. Adding hips and feet. Here we go. Okay. All right, here we go. So, manako, manako. We're gonna varu to the right. Pushing really far. I want you to make distance. So push. Dun, dun, 2, 3, 4. Here. And hura. 1, 2, 3. Left. Left. 2, 3. Tap. Right. 2, 3. Right. 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry. Left. Left. 2, 3. Tap. Left. 2, 3. And right. Right. One more time. 2, 3. And right. Right. 2, 3. Left. Left. 2, 3. And left. Left. 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you get that? So you go right, right, left. Left, left, right. Right, right, left, and so on. Okay, let's bring our hands up right away. Big arms, varu right. I'm sorry. Right. Right, 2, 3, 4. Circle, right, 2, 3, left. Left, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Up, out, 2, 3. Circle, turn, 2, 3. Up, out, 2, 3. Circle, 1, 2, 3. And continue. Get really, really low. Be good examples. Here we go. One more time. Big varu and a big hura step. Don't step too far outside. Example. Too far. Stay here. Down, 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 down. Drop. 2, 3. Sit. Legs are within your body. Aori. Extend and lift.
takuina ngaro ki a koe e maine. Tomata manea, mai te puranga e. E ata manea ki runga i a koe maine. Manako, manako, manako i a koe e. O miri ia, i a koe. Manako, manako, manako i a koe e. O miri ia, i a koe. Oi ana ke e, i ana ke, i e e e. O miri ia, i a koe.
Whatever I said it to do, I did it wrong. One more time. Right, 2, 3, right, right, left, left. Go. Make pukas, no manaka up. Okay, here we go. One more time. Now we have the better count. Make sure you finish. Pull out, center, pull up, finish up, center, and up, out. Don't just turn when you walk, use your hips. Do your hura turn, do the right leg forward. So turning this way. 5, 6, 7, and hips. 2, 3, 4, relax. Here we go.
Anime toku, toi matae, e takuina ngaro ki a koe e maine. Tomata manea, mai te puranga e. E ata manea ki runga i a koe maine. Manako, manako, manako i a koe e. O miri ia, i a koe. Manako, manako, manako i a koe e. O miri ia, i a koe. Oi ana ke e, i ana ke.
Very nice, very nice. Take a breather. Again, I don't want to make you do too much like running with your hips or body, more defining today. All right, here we go. We're gonna get a nice ta'iri tamau. Hit right, 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 right. Okay, here we go. Follow me. So it's gonna hit right here. Ta'iri tamau. 1, 2, 3, patia. Hit. 1, 2, 3, front. Okay. So what your feet do on that one part is you patia, you sit here. From the front, you go to your front, and then you're gonna cut. Turning to your left, right leg. 1, left again, sideways. 2, to the back. 3, to the front. 4, repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, left. Side, back, side, front. Right there, okay? So it goes 4 times, I'm sorry. Bum, 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 bum. Hey, side, 2, 3, 4. Bum, 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 bum. Push, bum, bum, bum. Beautiful, Elijah, boom. So when you do this patia move, it's not here. I'm being lazy, I'm sorry. Sit, push. Over to one side, sit low. Dun, 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 bum, bum. You want to swing it up in a diagonal, not, I don't know, something else. Okay, so swing that hip all the way up. Show me the combination, girls. All hands on hips. Or I'm sorry, ta'iri tamau in place, and then push. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, show me what you got. Girls and my Zoom friends, 5, 6, 7, hit. 1, 2, 3, lean, push. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, sit. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So watch how you have to adjust your hips. Watch. Bump, 2, 3, 4, bump, bump. I'm gonna have you do like a little ripple. 1, 2, 3, 4, and push. 2. So it gets you back onto the correct hip because we're going left, right? This is my mirror. Right, right, right. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, left. Right, 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 left, left. Should get you on time. Here we go, we try. Bend your knees, close your knees, big hips swinging up in a diagonal. Good. Not bad. That little double switch is kind of funny, but it's getting you to understand how to hear the beat and make sure you're still on time. So let's hit that left side one more time. So it's going to go right, 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 left. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, up. Because your count is up, right? So it's single, 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 right, right, up, up, right, right, up. On that double, no music. 5, right, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hit, and right, 2, 3, right, right, left, 2, 3, and again, left, right, 2, 3, right, right, left, 2, 3, sorry, stay left. One more time, staying on the left leg, 5, 6, 7, and right, 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 left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, last time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we go. Let's hit it again. Back to the normal combination on the right side, on the left, on the right, on the left, and so on. Quick feet, yeah. Make sure you sit in that position. Balls of your feet. Woo!
DJ Sticks.
5, 6,
Roi matae, toku ilanga ruki ako e maine. Tumata manea, madipuranga e. Iata manea kirunga iako e maine. Manako, manako, manako iako e. Mbau piri iako. Manako, manako, manako iako e. Mbau piri iako. Oko yanaki e, yanaki e. Mbau piri iako e. Oko yanaki e, yanaki.
Good job. All right, take a breather. If you want water, girls, get water. Okay, we're gonna move on. So I want to really work on being nice and lengthy and sensual and very fluid with our movements. So we're gonna do a moving ope. In case you haven't done this yet, I'm gonna show you without my mirror really quick. It's your right leg up tall. What's happening with the bottom leg is it's going 1, 2, 3, 4, step, 1, 2, step, 3, 4, step. One more time. My right leg is up. I'm here, my feet go 1, 2, step, 1, 2, step, 1, 2, step, 1, 2, step. This is why my feet are burning today because I'm just rubbing it across the floor. Same thing with my left. Left up, 1, 2, step, 1, 2, step. One more time. Left. Here. Open. Don't go, don't varu. Stay single, circle. 1, 2, 3, and moving. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Right there, okay? We try. Choose everybody on the right leg. Make your way back. Right leg, same lines. 2 lines. Actually, switch it. Whoever was in the back was really fine now. Open here, right leg. Let's sit it here. We're all gonna be the same direction now. Right leg forward, moving open. 5, 6, 7, sit. And 1, 2, step. 1, 2, step. 1, 2, step. 1, 2. Switch. Left. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, step. 1, 2, step. 1, 2, step. 1, 2. Okay? That's your idea. Let me get my music. Figure out your body. Feel good with that step while I get your music prepared. Here we go, ready? We're gonna do 8 right, reset our bodies, 8 left. Defining your movement. This isn't like free flow. Control and use your abdomen. Here we go.
Matamanea matipurangae Iatamanea kirunga iako imahinde Manako 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 iako Maupiri iako Manako 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 iako Maupiri iako Yanake, yanake, yeah, maupiri yakoe. Yanake, yanake, yeah, maupiri yakoe. Marangi nei toku, noi matae.
Sorry. One more time, we're gonna go 2 groups, okay? 8 on each side. Group 1, first line. Rosetta, Tomoko, Roberta, Izumi, Kiahi, Ruby, and Dawn. Group 1. And then my front line. Here we go, group 1. Group 2, you're welcome to dance with them or take your time. I just want to give everybody a moment so that the movement is what it should be and nothing else. Here we go. Wait for my call.
toku Roi matae O toku inanga ruki a koe e maine To mata manea Mai te puranga e I ata manea ki runga I a koe mahine Manako, manako, manako I a koe Mau piri ia I a koe Manako, manako, manako I a koe Mau piri ia I a koe O koe anake Mau piri ia I a koe O koe anake Mau piri ia I a koe Marangi nei toku Oi matae E taku ina ngaro ki a koe e maine To mata manea Mai te puranga E ata manea ki runga I a koe maine Manako, manako, manako I a koe Mau piri ia I a koe Manako, manako, manako I a koe Mau piri ia I a koe Koe anake I anake Mau piri ia I a koe Koe anake I anake Mau piri ia I a koe O koe te ina ngaro O tō mata keina ngā O koe te ina ngaro O tō mata keina ngā O koe anake Mau piri ia
Very nice, very nice. Very controlled, simple movement. But the more you practice it, the grander it gets. All right, moving on. We're going to stay kind of in that slow movement. Not much paarapu today. I'm sorry if that's what you were coming here for. But you can watch the last one. Let's see. That song. Oh, let's do this one. Almost done. So again, a lot of legs today, or a lot of squats. Okay, so this next one again is super low. This is kind of a bit more choreography, okay? So make sure you can see us. It goes. Okay, here. Bottom to the right. Bottom. 1, 2, pura down. So you bottom, one, pura. Right, left, pura down. Switch, shoulder. 1, sway hip. 2, sway hip. And then you're gonna up and around 4. You're gonna take a distance. Step away, push out. 2, 3, 4. If you want to go opposite, you go opposite. If you have an opposite ami and you want to go like that, you can do that because it's going to help you with your normal hips. So again, bottom right, pura. 5, 6, 7, bottom. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, push. 1, step away. 2, 3, 4. Perfect. And you're in the right lines. Perfect. So my front line is the opposite of me. My second, they go to the left, Where do you go? Left, right. They're going right, right, because they whaarapu this way. Line 2 and myself, they go the other way. We try one more time. Hands on your hips. 5, 6, 7, push. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, push. 1, away. 2, 3, 4, bump. Down, 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 down. I want long length. Legs. Bum, 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 bum. Sit and push. Long, push, long, sit, low, and low. We try our best. Let's make sure I'm on beat. Are we good on that? Understand the exercise? Beautiful. That was very nice. Now keep it very fluid, very large. Here we go. That was really good, girls. Let's do that one more time. Let those legs burn. If they're not burning, then you got to sit lower. Nice, that was a nice combo. I really like that combination. Let's add some hands just to close it out, and then we're almost done for today. So here, Baru. Here, Baru. 1, 2, 3, push. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do it. Oh yeah. No, I'll change it inside here. One more time. Baru. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, out. 1, 2, 3 again, and face and bum 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 bum. Here we go. Baby step this way, just because I know you guys are gonna move. Inside a little, Leah. Inside a little more. Noah, stay. Okay. Here we go. Ready? Add some arms, get some length and grace in there. Here we go. Have fun with it. Sit low. No, sorry, little ramble. I am so low that I'm almost a 13-year-old's height. So I told my girls, if I'm almost to your height, then you should be almost to my knees because they're much shorter than me. So really challenge those thighs. Here we go. just for keeps. We're gonna hit that one more time. First round, we're gonna watch you. Second round, you're gonna watch us. You're welcome to dance both rounds. Just, I don't know, kind of like enjoy each other in this class so we can kind of see each other and appreciate the dancing. Are we okay? No one gave me, okay, thank you. There's your thumbs up. Hold that core the whole time. Here we go, it's all you. Girls, you're welcome to do as you please. So here we go. I'm gonna highlight, no, it's okay, no highlight. If you wanna go to gallery mode so you don't see me, do so. You guys can rest, take water, whatever you want. And they're here to watch you and appreciate you, and then you get to watch us. Wait for my call. Good job. You're welcome to dance with us or watch, whatever helps. If you choose to watch, treat it like a moment to learn. The best way that I learned my form was by watching another dancer that had amazing form. And every time I would pay attention to where her toes are, her knees are, every little limb, and then I just put it into my own body. So hopefully that's the type of experience you'll have. Watch the girls and how low they are. Let's switch lines. Here we go. So that is the class today. Give a little cheer from my helpers today. Good job to my girls. Really quick, masks on. Monica, raise your hand. That's Monica, Noah, Leah, and Elijah. And these are my little 13-year-olds. And a 10, 9, 12, 10. Goodness gracious, and a 10-year-old. Really great, huh? You would think that we're all in the same line with how well they dance. So that is today's class. I hope everybody enjoyed it. Not too vigorous, but enough to do, right? Oops. Mute yourself, please. I hear a bebe. I love you, bebe, but I don't want to hear you. All right, everybody have a beautiful Saturday. I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Bye. Thank you so much.